This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in the previous class, we have seen how to create account in AWS and how to launch in EC2 server in the AWS cloud, EC2 Linux server in AWS cloud, then how to install Git bash in our laptop, and how to connect from our laptop to the AWS server with the help of Git bash and by using that com file, that private key. Those things we have seen, and along with some commands, how to create a file by using h command, cat command, and va and nano commands, and how to use ls in different purposes. Those things we have seen. So now let me log on to my one more time. Also, I will show you how to launch instance and how to connect all those things. Okay, this is my AWS account. Now let me go to my EC2. EC2 means EC2. Actually, it is ECC, Elastic Compute Cloud, which is one of the service provided by Amazon, by which you can launch or you can take one server. Because right now instance running 0. Right now I don't have any instances. I want to launch one instance. You can click here or click on here. Right now I don't have any instances. Launch here, launch an instance. Wherever you want to know. Now I am clicking here, launch an instance. In the first step, it is asking which AMI. AMI means here OS only, which OS we require to install in the machine. So I am selecting Red Hat machine, Red Hat. You can say Red Hat. Red Hat is called RHL, simple terms, RHL. Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, select this one. In the second step, it is asking which type of machine. Then of course, if you do by default selected only, it is free machine, already told, right? You can use it for free for 12 months, 1 year, 750 hours, you can see. Okay, for each month, that is you're saying. Each month 750 hours. Okay, anyhow, I am taking this mission. Of course, at least try to understand what is this here. Instance type is T2 medium, T2 dot medium, sorry, T2 dot micro, sorry, micro, it is micro. They will give one core CPU and 1 GB RAM. That is the capacity of server we're going to get for free. Okay, next. I want to like one mission only, one mission. This is mission count only. They are going to give 10 GB EBS volume. 10 GB EBS volume. This is volume is nothing but just like hard disk only. This is the key pair. Already you know, right? Yesterday I have created new key pair. Daily you need not to create any new key pair. You have created once, right? That you can use. That's it. So the existing key pair only. ABCD. This is the key yesterday I have created, right? So I am using choose an existing key pair. ABCD. Don't create multiple key pairs, which is nothing but waste of space one. Try to create only single and you can use it. That's it. Okay. Click on acknowledge, launch instance. Go here, view instance. Now you can see pending. It is getting launched. As of now, it is pending only. After some time, I can see here running. If you want to give you some name for this one, something I'm giving like Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server. I'm giving some name. Okay, you can see now it is running. Okay. Now my server is there. My server is there in AWS cloud. This is the AWS cloud, right? It's AWS, which is in the cloud. How to connect to remote machines? How to connect to remote machine? Of course, not only in the cloud. Of course, if you have server in Bombay, assume server is in Bombay or Calcutta or Pune, wherever. I am somewhere else. Then how to connect? For that purpose only, I have to install one software called Git Bash in my laptop. That already installed yesterday, right? No need to install daily. Already installed yesterday. So by doing that, I can able to connect. Okay. Let me open my Git Bash. Where I have to open Git Bash? Can I open here? Of course, if you have compile here, I can open Git Bash here. Right now, my compile is not there on my desktop. Right now, my compile ABCD is there in downloads. Let me go to downloads now. Downloads. This is my downloads for. I'm having compile. You can see ABCD. This is my compile. Compile is a private key file. Private key file. The corresponding public key is already there in the server itself. So if both of them matches, then only we can able to connect it. So here I am opening Git Bash. All I told, right? Don't give right click on this one. If you give right click on this one, you cannot see Git Bash option. Not only here, if you right click on this one also, if you right click on any object, definitely you are not able to see the Git Bash option. Somewhere else, like this here, you can open Git Bash. Git Bash here. You will get one black screen. Still your laptop. This is your laptop one. You can see Dell desktop download. This is nothing but my laptop only. But I want to connect to the server. How to connect? There should be there you have to use a command called SSH. SSH means secure shell command actually. How to get that command means you can get the command from here. If you select the server, click on connect, you can see this is the command. You can copy this command. This is the command actually I have to use. Of course, need not to go there also. You can easily connect by using SSH command. SSH. Right, what is there here? SSH -I. This is the from file name. This is the username in the AWS cloud server. Get the rate. This is the host name. Of course, let me copy and explain what is there here. So because no need to go there also if you know this command. This is the command they have given. What is there here? SSH is the command. -I is the option. This is the from file name. abcd.com is the from file name. This is the from file name. Private key. From file is a private key. Then username. Already you know, right? If you create any Red Hat machine in the AWS cloud, by default, along with the root user, we can get one extra user called issue type one user. Of course, not only Red Hat, if you install any flavor of Linux in AWS cloud, definitely one user called root will be created. Root is the super user or admin user. That is different. What about the EC2 user? In Red Hat machine only we can see this EC2 user. In other flavors, we can see some other users. Those things we will see later. As of now, in Red Hat machines, The username is EC2 user. That's it. Okay. Use that username. Get the rate. Get the rate. IP address or host name. EC2 hyphen user. It is username. This is the host name actually. How to know is host name or not? Let me go there. In the server itself, select the server. You can see host name. This is EC2 13 234 76 252.ap south 1 computer image and AWS. Same thing, right? Same thing only. This is the public DNS name actually, I can say. Host name. Instead of using this one, you can use simple IP address also, IP address this one. This is also correct command. This is also valid command. By this one also I can able to correct. Or this one. Okay. Of course, let me use this command now. Of course, if you are getting confusion, don't concentrate on this one. Simply select the server, go to connect, select this, copy this command, and use here. If you are getting confused, I am saying. Otherwise, try to understand what is there. Let me use this command now. Definitely it will work. Copy, paste. I am not using the command which they have given. Of course, I have given IP address here instead of using host name. Of course, this is the public IP. This is the public IP, not private IP. It is a confirmation. Are you sure you want to connect? Yes. I am able to connect, right? I am able to connect. That's why I am seeing on EC2 here. Before connecting, I am seeing like this. After connecting, I am seeing something like EC2 or something. What is this one? This is the IP address only. This is private IP. This is the public IP. This is the private IP. Private IP address. Okay, I am able to connect. Command called clear command. Clear. Right now I am EC2 user, right? As EC2 user, definitely I can have some restrictions because EC2 user is not a admin user. That's why I can have some restrictions. Of course, you can do some, you can use some commands as EC2 user also, but as EC2 user I cannot do some external things. So because EC2 user is a normal user, as a normal user, I cannot have some permissions for some of them. If you want, you can continue with them also, no problem. Otherwise, try to switch it to root user. How to do root user? Sudo -, right? Of course, today I don't want to switch. As you used to do, I want to do now today. If you get error, I will see how to resolve them. I will show you. Okay. Now, right now, I don't have any files here. ls command, right? ls. ls is a command used to list files directories in the current location. The current location, of course, first of all, let me tell you what is current location. I think yesterday I have told a command called pwd command, right? pwd, print working directory. Or you can assume it as a present working directory. Where you are at? I am in this location. /home/EC2 user. Of course, now I will tell you what is this /home and /EC2 user. Already you know /home, right? /home. So yesterday, at least I have told some of them, like if you install Linux software, by default, I can get something like /bin, something like /sbin, something like /home, something like /opt, something like /var, something like /proc, something like /dev, something like /mnt. Likewise, we can have default directories like our C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive in our Windows laptops or Windows machines. Similarly, if you install Linux software, I can get automatically some default directories. They are called directories. This is the directory structure of the Linux. Now I got something here at least. Home /home. /home contains all the user information. If you have any users, if you have some Linux users, for each and every user, I can see one entry in the /home directory. For each user, for each user, for each user, I can have one entry. We can have one entry here. That's it. As of now, I am the EC2 user. So for EC2, one entry is there. If you create some others, of course, in the next class or in the later sessions, we will see how to create a new user also. Root user definitely will be there. EC2 user also there. We will create some other users like your name, my name, or friends' names like that. We can create multiple users. There also, in the time also, we can see some entry for that user in the /home. /home, we can see some other entries after creating user. Those things we can see later. As of now, try to understand. /home is the default directory Linux file system in which it will store user information. That's it. Okay, of course, let me tell you something about this also. /bin. /bin contains, bin means binaries. Bin means binaries. All binary files will be here. Of course, binary files means you cannot understand. They are binary files you cannot understand. So for each and every command, in the Linux, we can have an entry in the bin directory. So suppose you know ls command, right? For ls command, I can see one entry in the bin. Not only for ls, you know one command called cat, right? For cat also, we can have one entry in the /bin directory. For every command, pwd command, something like va command, something like grep command. We'll see those things later. Grep command, okay, something like ps command, something like kill command. So many commands are there in Linux. For all of them, we can have an entry in the bin. Bin means binaries. Similarly, sbin. Bin means binaries. Sbin means system binaries. This is called system binaries. System, they are also binary files. They are also binary files. But there are some special binary files actually, system binaries. Here also we can have some entry for some of the specific commands. There are some specific commands like shutdown, or reboot, or if config. There are something like them. Of course, reboot means I want to restart the server. I can use this reboot command. Of course, can anybody restart the server? No, right? Of course, if you have a server, you can make use of it. Now, as a normal user, you can use it. But if you want to restart, anybody cannot do it, right? Anybody cannot restart the server. Only the admin user. Only the admin user can reboot the server. Only admin user can reboot. That means so. All the commands under sbin we have to execute as root user only, not others. Of course, I can execute ls command as EC2 user. I can create a file using cat command as EC2 user. No, I can execute all the commands as a any user. But if you want to execute commands under SBIN, definitely the user should be a root user. Root user only can do these tasks. Of course, this is the command to shut down and reboot. This is the command used to change the IP address of server. If you want to do some special tasks, definitely the user should be a admin user or root user only. That's it. Okay. Then what about OPT? OPT means optional. Of course, in this by default nothing will be there. By default, nothing will be there in the OPT. Then why to use this one is, of course, in the Linux server, this is Linux server, right? I want to install something here. My session timed out, of course. You can see I am typing, it is not working. Why means it is session timed out, of course. After logging into server, if you keep it idle for some time, automatically the session timeout will happen. You can see disconnected. Once again, you have to log in. Okay. This time I am using this command only. I am able to log in for the difference. Of course, if you keep idle for some time, it will be session timed out. If you use simple command called TOP command, it will be continuously triggering some parameters. So there could not be a session timed out. Okay. I will tell you this command address. Top command. Okay, now itself I will tell you if you require. Top command, you can see CPU utilization. How much amount of CPU is being used by this mission? That is what it is showing. 0% as of now. Nothing I am doing, right? That's why 0% only. Memory utilization also. CPU memory utilization. Top is a command. Top is a command used to display CPU memory utilization continuously. Okay, anyhow, keep it aside. Now we'll go to this one, OPT. Now, in this server, I want to install one tool like Maven, or I want to install Jenkins, or I want to install some software. Where I can install? Of course, normally in Windows machines, something like C drive, program files there, right? You can install software by default. Similarly, here also, until this OPT, we can install some third-party tools. We can install third-party tools here only. We can install third-party tools. Third-party tool means like you can download here only and install here. You can download and install. You can download and install third-party tools here in the OPT folder /OPT. We can make use of it later. In OPT only we download Maven software, Tomcat software, Circuit software. Those things we will download into OPT folder and we will install it. Then what about var? Var means variable length files. Variable length files. Of course, there are some files, they are going to change time to time. Of course, now the time is 6:29. I can see some data on them. Of course, after some time like 6:35 or 6:40, if you go to the content, there will be change in the content. So because something will be added, they are called variable length files, like log files, all of them. Those files will be there in the /var. All variable length files. It contains all the variable length files. Variable length files. Likewise, there is a PROs. PROs means process. PROs means process. Of course, definitely in any system, there are some running background process. There are some running background processes. What are the running process as of now? and what are their IDs. That I can see under this PROC only. PROC contains process details. There are some background running process. What are the running process and what are the IDs? That we can see under /PROC only. Okay, it contains information about a running process. I can say running process. Now DEV. What is DEV? DEV is device. DEV means device here. Then what this contains? Of course, device means like how many volumes are attached. I can attach multiple hard disks, right? Normally in our laptop or in our disk, normally if you have a computer system, for the computer I can have 2 or more hard disks also. Of course, I can have one CD drive. I can use some external hard disk, some USB mouse. I can attach some extra extra devices. Those information I can see in a DEV. Device information can be available in this DEV. Device information. External devices information I can say. Device information will be in this /DEV. Then what are MNT? MNT is mounting. We will see those things later. Of course, first of all, try to understand what is there. Later, we will do one by one whenever you require. Mount means all the mounted. Mount means tagging. I can attach one mount. I can attach one folder to the server. In that case, I can see one mount point there. Okay, those things we will see that. As of now, of course, for this purpose, I am explaining. /home contains user information. Okay. Now you can see. You can see now, my server is still running only. Of course, there is no disconnection. Server is running only. There is no session time. Why means I have used top command. So continuously triggering CPU memory utilization. That's why. Okay, how to get out of control Z? Control Z. Hit control Z. Control Z. Now I am out of that command. Okay, this is a fresh mission. I have not done anything. You can say ls. Right now, I am EC2 user only. I am EC2 user. I cannot see anything here. Now, okay, let me create some files. Okay, today I want to explain some other commands. Of course, without having any files, I cannot do anything, right? That's why. Let me create some files. Let me cat command to create a file. Cat greater than symbol. Something like file name is A. File name is A. I am entering some data. Something like Linux commands are very easy to learn. Linux is open source. I am writing something in the file. Okay, as of now, I have typed 3 lines in the file. I want to get out of it. How to get out of this one? Control Z, right? Control Z. Now it is saved. Now you can see ls. File A is there. Earlier, nothing was there. Now, a file with the name A is created. Let me create one more also. Cat greater than symbol. File name is B. This time I want to get a file called B. Something like. I have written something in this. Okay. Type something. Control Z. I have 2 files now. ls. A and B. A is one file name. B is one more file name. Right now, where I am at also, PWD command. PWD command. PWD means print working directory. Right now, in this location, /home/distributor. In this location only, I'm having A and B files. Okay, let me run one more also. This time I want to create by using VI. Right? By using anything I can get. Cat, VI, touch nano. I will any of those commands to create a file, right? Let me create one file. This time I am writing a file C only. Okay, I am entering some data. I have entered some data. Now escape, colon WK, right? I have created 3 files now. You can see A, B, C, 3 files are there. A, B, C, 3 files are there. LS command, right? Now let me use ls hyphen L. ls hyphen L is same as LL, right? It will show you long list. You can see. What is this first hyphen indicates, something, right? What is this first minus symbol or hyphen symbol indicates means it is a file. This is also a file. This is also a file. These are the permissions regarding this one. This is the link. Now we'll concentrate on, that's why we'll concentrate on this portion now. This is the permissions related to the file. This is the number of links. This is called the user or owner of the file. This is called group name. This is the size of the file. This is the data time of creation of the file. Okay. Now we'll see one by one. We'll see one by one. Now, as of now, first we'll see about permissions. Of course, if you count here, totally I can have 10 characters. First, hyphen is there, hyphen 1, R 2, W 3, one more minus symbol, hyphen 4, R 5, W 6, hyphen 7, R 8, 2 hyphens 9, 10. Totally 9 symbols are there here. Sorry, 10 symbols, total 10 symbols, including minus, first hyphen. Here also. Now I want to explain that one. Okay. So keep it aside. Now we'll see our permissions of the file. Keep it aside. Totally how many symbols are there? Total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for understanding purpose, let me do it like this. First one, next 3, next 3. I will do it like this. Of course, don't confuse it. Of course, those are only symbols only. Here it is. Let me do like this. Now you can understand. Okay, this is like there only. What is this one? Of course, for understanding purpose, let me give some spaces also. Total time, right? 1, 3, 3, 3. Totally 10. Now, in the first symbol, what you can have, right? What? At least 2 things. I can have hyphen or D. If it is hyphen, it is a file. If it is a D, it is direct file. Of course, let me get on direct also because let get on direct also. Right now, I'm having only 3 files called ABC. Let me get on direct. How to get directory? Command is mkdir, right? Mkdir. So directory name is something like Monday. Monday is the directory name I have created. Let me create one file directory also. How to get a file directory? Where in Monday the name is like D. File name is D. In Monday, I am creating a file called D. Content also I might type something. Okay. Now you can see A, B, C. These are files. This is directory. Suppose let me use ls-l command. You can see now. First one, hyphen means it is a file. A is a file. Hyphen that means B is a file. Hyphen that means C is also a file. D that means this Monday is a directory name. That's it. That's it. Okay. That is what this one. First hyphen indicates whether it is a by after seeing the first symbol, we can know or we can say it is a file or directory. If the first symbol is hyphen, it is a file. If it is D, it is a directory. Okay, it is clear, right? Of course, let me write here. What are the possible values for this one means? Hyphen or D. Definitely, I can have either this one in this one. Hyphen or D. Let me something like R where R. Hyphen or D for this one. Now, what about this one? Now I will consider next three symbols. What are these three symbols? These three symbols indicates, let me show you whether it is a file or directory. File or directory. For the purpose only we can use this one. First symbol. Next, what about this one? This represents owner permissions. This symbols indicates permissions of the file for the owner. Next three symbols indicates permissions for group members. These three symbols indicate permissions for others. Okay. Now these three symbols. What are these? Permissions of group member or owner. Permissions of owner. Simply owner permissions. Owner permissions. Let me use some space. Okay, these are owner permissions. What we can have here? What we can have means first one, a read permission. Of course, for a file, I can have three permissions: read, write, and execute. Read means R. Read permission. Read means symbol is R. Next one is write permission. Write, W-R-I-T, write. The symbol is W for this one. Next one is like execute. Read and execute. E-X-E-C-U-T, execute. For this one, the symbol is X. R means read permission. W means write permission. X means execute. I can have those symbols for owner. If the owner have read permission, instead of using this hyphen, I can write R symbol. Of course, this order is also important here. First one represents read permission. Second represents write. Third represents execute permission. I can have something like this. For owner permissions in these three, I can have something like this. Let me write here. Separate. I can have like this. Read. I can have like this. I'm saying about these three symbols. Then what is the meaning of this one? Owner is having read permission and execute permission. Owner don't have, of course, here there is option of double, right? That means owner is having a read and execute permission. Owner don't have. Right? That's it. That's the meaning of if you have like this. Of course, not only this, you can have something like this also. Then what is the meaning of this one? Owner of the file don't have any permissions. So because here there is option of all these RWX, right? That means owner don't have any permissions. Not only this, I can have something like this. Read, write, execute. That means the owner of the file having all permissions, read and execute. I can have something like this also. Owner have only read and write permission. They don't have execute permission. That's it. Of course, can I write like this? Something like execute hyphen. No. If you have X symbol, definitely this should be at this point only. I cannot change the order. Or read, or write, execute, that's it. I cannot, this is not valid one. This is not valid. X hyphen means what is this one? This is not, there is no meaning for this one. This is meaningless. I cannot have like this. If I give permission, how it will be normally hyphen X. This is valid now. Hyphen X means don't have read permission, don't have read permission, can have only X means execute permission, that's it. This is valid. X hyphen is not a valid one. These are the owner permissions fields. These symbols. Okay. Next we will consider next three symbols. What are these? These are the group member permissions. Group member permissions. Group members permission. Group members permission. Same thing only. Group members permissions. Same thing. Read, write, execute. If we have. Now, same thing only. I cannot repeat also. Actually, something like this. Read, write, execute. Read, write, execute. That means group members are having these permissions on that file or on the directory. How can I say directory or file means this one or this one? Based on this one, I can call it as a directory or file. That also you know, right? Same thing what I have told here also. Like that also you have to follow. Same thing. Now what about last three symbols? You can have three more symbols, right? So those are others. Others means not the owner, not the group members, other users. These are others permissions. Others permissions. Here also same thing only. Here also same thing only. Same thing means read and execute. Read and execute only. Something I can have like this. What is the meaning of this one? Other members are having only write permission. Others don't have read and execute permission. Okay, now I want to write totally. I want to write one thing. For anything, something totally 8, right? Total 10. One, where I'm typing. Let me type here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 means something like 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to write 4, 5, 6. Something like. Something like. Is it valid? Yes. Total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you see any permissions like this, what we understand from this one? What we understand means this is a file. This is a file. Next, try to take next three symbols. What we understand from this one? The owner of the file is having two permissions. Read and write permission. The owner don't have X execute permission. That's it. Now take next three symbols. What you can understand from this one? The group members They don't have read permission. They don't have write permission. They have only X execute permission. That's it. Then what about next three symbols? Others. Others don't have read permission. They have only a write and X execute permission. That's it. That's what I can understand. If you have like this. Okay. One more example I want to take. Something like if you see something like this. Is it a valid one? Try to see totally 10 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay. It is a valid one. Now what does it indicate? It is a directory. It is a directory. Then what it indicates? The directory of the owner. Sorry. The owner of directory. The owner of the directory is having all permissions. Read, write, and execute permissions. Then what about next three symbols? The group members of the directory contains only a write permission. They don't have read and execute permission. And what about this last three symbols? Others don't have any permission on the directory. That's it. Can I have like this? Is it valid? No. What is it? Directory is meaning this is the permissions of the owner. These are the permissions of the group members valid. Now what is it? It is invalid, right? Why? Hyphen W. If W symbol is there, where should be? Where it should be? In the middle, hyphen hyphen. If you have three hyphens, first hyphen, there should be a read R if you have. Otherwise, simply hyphen. Next symbol, hyphen or W. Last symbol, hyphen or X. That's it. I cannot have like this. This is invalid one. Okay. Now we try to understand what is there. I think it's such a time out. One more time. I forgot to stop command here. Now my session, of course, if you keep idle for some time, my session time, right? That's like one more time. Also, I forgot to stop command here. Anyhow, one more time, right? Connection means only simple only. Copy this command, paste here. It won't take much time, right? Now you can see. Now you can tell me what is this. Of course, this dot is there is no meaning for this one. Dot. Keep it aside. Now you can see what it indicates. This one. A is a file. A is a file. On file A, owner. Owner means EC2 only. This one is the owner, right? I already told you, this is the owner. Owner is having a read permission. Owner having a write permission on file A. But the owner EC2 user don't have X option here, right? That means the owner of the file don't have execute permission on file A. That's it. That's what I have to understand from here. Next, take next three symbols. What about this one? This is same, right? Read, write, absent of execution. It is group members. What is the group members here? I told you this is the owner name. This is the group name. This is our group name actually. Of course, the group is class of users, right? In this group, we can have multiple users. For all of them, I'm saying User means individual. Group means collection of users. Of course, assume there are 20 users in this group. Then what is the meaning of this one? These are the permissions of those 20 users. Group members, right? Group members permissions. Of course, as of now, we have not created a group. We will create later. We will create some groups years later. You have to try to understand. The first one indicates, as of now, saying same thing. This is the owner name. This is the group name. Of course, if you want, you can change them also. We will see those later. As of now, try to understand. First one indicates owner name. This is the group name. Group means collection of users. We can have some members in the group. Those members permissions this indicates. Now, the group members are having two permissions on the file A, read and write. They don't have execute permission. Next, what about this one? R-hyphen, what it indicates? This is the permissions of others. Others means, so in Linux system, there may be multiple users, not only owner, not only group members. There are some other users, right? They are called others. For the permissions, this is. That's it. Now you can see what it indicates. This one, Monday. Monday is a directory. You can see on directory Monday, owner use it only. Owner is having all permissions. Group members are also having all permissions. But what about others? Others, they don't have right permission. That's it. That's what you have to understand. Of course, if you want, you can change them also. But you can change them. As of now, by default, I am saying like this. Now, if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me. In this permissions portion, this first this portion represents permissions of a file directory. Okay. Now, of course, we will change them. How to change them? We will see now. As of now, right now is like this. Now I want to change them. How to change the permissions of the file directory? Of course, these are files, right? ABC are files. This is directory. There is a command to change the permissions of a file or directory. What is the command for that one? The command is chmod, change mod. The command is chmod. There is a command called chmod to change the permissions of a file or directory. This simple command called chmod. Now we'll see how to say chmod command for this one. One second. Okay. So chmod command how to use? Chmod. Later, for whom I want to modify? Of course, I have three sets, right? For owner, for group members, for others. To whom I want to change. That I have specified here. Something like you. You means user. User means owner here. You. G. G means group members. O. O means others. For group members, if you want to change only for group members, I can use only G. Only for group members. What about this indicators? For group members, others. If you do like this, only for user. That's it. The shortcut for owner is U. Of course, owner means don't get confused between U and O. U means user. User means owner only. G means group members. O means not owner. O means others. Others. UGO. Now, if you see here, every time I'm forgetting here. Okay, no problem. So now UGO means for users, for others, all, for all I can say. If you want to add something, you have to plus symbol. Adding plus. If you want to delete something, deleting means removing one permission. Minus symbol. Minus means, of course, this is minus means I am deleting one permission. Plus means I am adding one permission. That's it. I can use plus or minus. Plus means adding one permission. Minus means deleting one permission. Now I will consider this one. Okay, right now for me, let me work on file A. For file A, I want these permissions. So what change also I want to, of course, you can see. For owner, I don't have execute permission. Now I want to give X permission here for the owner. That I want how to change what the command chmod, right? Command chmod. For whom I want to change only for owner. Owner means you, not O. O means others. What I want to add. Add means plus symbol. Which permission I want to give X. That's it. On which file A. That's it. It is very simple. Chmod U plus X A. Command is chmod. For whom I want to modify permissions means for user. What I want to do, I want to add. Which permission I want to add X execute. That's it. On which file? On file A. It was simple, right? Chmod U plus X A. What is the meaning of this? U plus X means for user. I am adding permission X. That's it. So before execute this command, you can see what is the permissions of A. Read, right? X is missing here. Now I am giving this one if required. This is worker file. How to confirm? I'll change the not. Let me see LL command one more time. Now you can see. Earlier, what is there here for A file? RW hyphen. Now you can see RWX. This is the only modification I have done, right? How I got this X here means I have added this X permission for the user. That's why I am seeing here. That's it. Not only if you want to add, you can add here also. How to add here? I want to add here. How to add here? Or I want to add something here. What I can add here? Can I add R here? No. Can I add X here? No. I can add only W symbol. W means write permission. You know that sequence also. Read, write, execute. Okay, now this time I want to add W here. W means write permission. For whom? Others, right? For others, I want to add. For others, I want to add a write permission on same file A. What is the command I can use? The command is chmod only. Of course, my requirement assume I want to add write permission for others. Others means O, right? I want to add means plus symbol only. I want to use plus symbol only. I have to use, right? Plus symbol only. On which permission? Write permission. On which file? File A. This also works fine. How to confirm is reflected on means right now on file A, O means others, right? Others permissions are like this. R hyphen hyphen. Right? Now I am adding this W permission. So something later I have to see R W hyphen. That's what my expectation. Reflected, right? Earlier it was like this R hyphen hyphen. Now it is R W hyphen. How I got this one is I have added this one. If required, I can delete also, not only adding permission plus symbol. I can delete also if required. Let me delete one thing at least. Okay, let me delete this right permission. Whatever you can delete, no problem. Of course, I want to delete right permission for all. Right W. As of now, for all means owner, group members and others. For all of them, I can have right permission, right? You can see right permission for owner, right permission for group members, right permission for others. I may have right permission for all, right? I want to delete right permission for all. Then how to do command chmod, right? For whom? For user, for group, others. What I want to delete means minus symbol. Which permission I want to delete means you can use something like W. Of course, it is not fixed, just a demonstration only. I am showing W permission I am deleting. As of now, on file A, everybody is having right permission. Now I am trying to delete this one. On which file? File A. It is also worked fine. Now you can see. Now you can see. Nobody is having right permission on that file A. Nobody means owner don't have, group members don't have, others also don't have, right? Because there is no W symbol, there is no W symbol, there is no W symbol here also. Of course, for all UGO is not required. If you want a specific one, I can specify U or G or O. Even if you don't use this UGO also, it will reflect. Let me show you. One more time, I want to add. So let me add. Okay, I have deleted it. Let me add right permission for all of them. How to add? The command is chmod, right? I can simply write plus W. Of course, I have not specified any person here. Like U, G, O, I have not specified. Then how it will take means it will specify for all on file A. What is the meaning of this one? I am adding right permission. For whom means I have not specified, that means for all on file A. Why I got only for plus W, only added for owner and group. Why not others? Okay, let me try for one more. So this time for this directory, I want to remove X permission for all. X permission for all on this one. So this time on this Monday directory, I want to remove X permission for all. As of now, one is having user permission, group members are having user permission, others are also having X user permission. Now I will try to delete X permission for all. What is the command I can use? Same command only. Chmod. I am not specifying any member here, like one or group or others. I'm trying to delete X command. On which one means on Monday directory. This is the command. Chmod minus X means I am deleting. Minus means deleting. Which permission means X permission. For whom? I am not specifying any user here. This is what will happen. has worked fine, right? You can see earlier X, X, X. Now you can see X deleted, X deleted, X is deleted here. Then why it is not working for A? Okay, we will see one more example. Okay, for B, okay, let me. I am clearing terminal only. I am not deleting those things. Just I am clearing the terminal. Clear screen. Okay. Now let me try to change the permissions of C file. Right now there is absent of X symbol for all of them, right? Now let me give. I want to add execute permission for all for file C. What is the command? I use chmod only. If you want to change permissions, the command is chmod only. Change mode, chmod. For all means I need not to specify UGO. I need not to specify. What I want to add. Which symbol I want to add? X symbol, let us say. For which file means file C. Now I got why not getting for you? Okay, we will see. No problem. We can see now. For C and C file, I am adding X command for all, right? Now you can see earlier X is option for all. Now I got it right for C. Owner, I got X permission. Group members, others. I got it right. I got it. That's it. This is the how to change permissions. There is one more way also to change permissions. There is one more way also that I want to tell you now. For that purpose, you have to know some numerical values for read, write, and execute. For read, the symbols are right. So the value of read is like 4. Read, the corresponding numerical value is 4. It is fixed number. They are fixed numbers. For write, the numerical correspondence value is 2. For execute, the numerical value is 1. Now 4 means read permission, 2 means write permission, 1 means execute permission. Of course, it is not for any user. I am saying for normal read permission, normal write permission, normal execute permission. Now I can like this chmod something like 647. What does it mean? On Monday directory. What is the meaning of this one? I will tell you. Chmod on Monday directory. I am trying to change permissions like this C647. What is 6? What is 4 and what is 7? I will tell you. This first number, I can say first digit. Of course, I definitely have to give 3-digit number here, 3-digit number. At the same time, the digits lies between 0 to 7 only. I cannot give like this 847. It is not invalid. Why? Because what 8 I will tell you. Okay, first of all, try to understand 647 or whatever. Not only 647, 347, whatever. Okay, therefore I will take 347 only. What the first digit represents? Second digit, third digit. Here the first digit represents permissions of the owner. You know, right? First one, permissions of the owner. Second digit represents permissions of the group members. Third digit represents permissions of the others. Permissions of owner, permissions of group members, permissions of others. Then we will understand what is 3. 3 means permissions of owner, right? What is 3 indicates here? Of course, let me write down those things here for easy understanding purpose. I am writing here. Now you can see. What is 3? 3 means permissions of the owner. 3, of course, I don't have 3 here. Then what is 3 means combination of 2 and 1, right? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? That means owner is having these 2 permissions. Am I correct? Yes. Next, what about this 4 represents? 4 normally the second digit represents permissions of group members, right? That means group members are having permission 4. What is the permission 4? That the group member is having only read permission. First, what about 7? Third digit represents what? It represents permissions of others. Others have which permission? 7 means all, right? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. That means others is having all permissions on this directory. Now, before this, let me see what is 1. 0 means what is 0? 0 means no permissions. 1 means only execute permission. 2 means only write permission. 3 means combination of these two, right? So 3 means that person is having a write and execute permission. 4 means only read permission. 5 means what is 5? Combination of these two, right? 5 means read and X permission. What is 6? 6 means combination of these two, right? 6 means read, right? 7 means all 3. What about 8? There is no meaning for that one. That means this should be, there should not be any digit greater than 7. This should be less than 0 also. Now based on this one, we can change the permissions also. I can have like this, triple 1. What it indicates? Not only the, of course, any digits, you can use something like 0 to 7. I can have like this also. I can have like this also. Then what it represents? 162. Assume. What it represents? 1. 1 means permissions. First one, permissions of owner. 1 means what? 1. Of course, this is the one. This is 1 means not execute permission. 1 means owner permissions. One is having execute permission. That's 3. One is having only execute permission. What about the 6 represents? 6 represents permissions of group members. Then what is the 6? 4 plus 2, right? That means group members are having read and write permissions on that file. On that file, write whatever. Then what about this 2 represents? 2 represents this digit represents permissions of others. Then what about 2 means others are having only write permission. That's it. Like you have to understand. Now based on that one also you can change the permissions. Control Z. Let me give the terminal. This time let me change permissions of C. You can change anything, no problem. Let me try to change permissions of whatever A, B, C files directory also you can change. This time I want to follow this kind of syntax. Some number I want to use. Previously I have used some characters, right? Characters like this. Now let me use something. Chmod is a command. Command is chmod. Let me use something like 6, whatever, 632, whatever. 3 number I have used. On which file means on file B. I have used this command. Now can anybody tell me what I can see here? What I can say? Total, you have to tell me total 10 values here. Total 10, right? You know this for 10, right? Now can anybody tell me what I can see here? Right now it is there like this. After this command, what I can see here? Can anybody tell me? What is expectation? You tell me, otherwise you try to post in the this chat box also. What I can see here. Exactly you have to tell, including the first symbol also. Vijay is saying something like I-fun RW. Let me. This is what Vijay's answer. Let me see. What is the command I have given? 632. 632. Is it 632? We will see. Of course, this is 5. 6. Is it 6? Yes. Read, right? Options of execute. So it's 6 only. Read means 4. Write means 2. Total 6, right? Now is it 3? Is it 3? Yes. 3 only. Write means 2. X means execute 1. So total 3, right? Now is it 2? Yes, 2 only. That's it, is correct only. Definitely I have to say like this. Now we'll see. On 5 be right, you can see. On 5 be right. This is what I got. Let me compare. Definitely both of them are same only. Same thing, right? Same thing. Whatever we just said, I got same thing. That means it's correct one. That's it. Okay. You have to understand, you have to practice, and you have to tell answers. Okay. This is what I am expecting from your side. Otherwise, directly listening the class and simply sitting definitely cannot work. Okay. So try to understand, try to practice them. If you get any doubts, you can ask. Of course, if you get any doubts, you try to post in the group itself so that others also, if you don't, if they are also having same doubt, they can clarify it. Otherwise, if others are having answer for that one, they will provide answers. Otherwise, I will give answers, no problem. If you get any doubts or any something else, you try to post in the our WhatsApp group itself so that others can see your doubts and they will try to answer. Otherwise, I will give you answer, no problem. Okay, anyhow. So let me do something else. Same command I want to chmod. Let me triple zero on Monday. What is the meaning of this one? You know, right? Permissions of owner, permissions of others. Sorry, group members. Permissions of others. Right? Now, what I can see after this one is only D followed by 9 hyperseconds. Same thing, right? D followed by 9 icons. Why? Because I have set like this 0 0 0. I can do something also. Chmod 777 on Monday. Now I can have all permissions here. All means D, RWX, RWX, RWX like that. Same thing, right? All permissions. That's it. Let me try to give one number which is greater than 7. So chmod something like 682. It won't allow. Now you can see. On Monday, I'm trying to use 682. You can see invalid mode 682. Invalid mode. This 8 is not invalid. 8 means what permissions? If you have all permissions also, I can have only 7. Read 4. Write 2. Execute 1. Total is 7, right? Then why this 8 being used? No meaning. That's why it is showing invalid mode. It is invalid. Let me use some minus symbol. Minus symbol also don't take, right? 0 to 7 only I have to give. Something like, of course, how can you give minus also? Okay, let me try. Uh, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5 is also invalid. Of course, what is the meaning of this one? If you assume this 7 minus 2, 5 is also not valid. And how to do this in between 0 to 7 only. That's it. Okay, is it clear now about this one? This field is very clear, right? As of now, this one. Now, this first field is completed. Now, we can see this one later. First of all, we'll consider this one. Of course, we can see this one also. There is separate command, we will see later. This one. What is this one? What is this one? Owner, right? Owner of the file or owner directory. Is it possible to change? Yes. It is possible to change the owner of the file. Now, I will do that one. Right now, for A, B, C files and minor directory, the owner is same only, right? Now I want to change one of the files owner to some other. To some other means I know one user is there, right? Root user is there, right? Let me change to root user. How to change? I will tell you. To change the permissions, the command is chmod, right? Chmod is a command used to change the permissions of a directory. Then how to change ownership of a directory? The command is chown. Chown, changing ownership. This is the command. So of course, this command I cannot execute as a normal user. Definitely, I can execute chown command as a root user only. That we will see. I will get error. I will get error if I try to execute as a EC to this command. Okay, we will see anyhow. This is the command. Command is chown. Let me. We'll stop command here. So there should not be any deactivation of the server. Session timeout, okay. Session timed out. Okay. Anyhow, now I am trying to change ownership. Ownership in this field already show, right? This one. Okay, I cannot show. I will show later. chown, changing ownership. What is the command syntax for this one? chown followed by already user is there, right? Already one user is there as the owner. Now who is the new owner? Who is the new owner? Something like new owner name. New owner name. New user name I can say. New user or new owner. It is simple only. For which file? It is simple file name. That means for this file, right now definitely one user is there. I want to change it to this user. That's it. It is a simple command, right? Of course, I can change group also. I can change group also. This is owner. This is group. Of course, other than EC2 user, one user is there called root user. Likewise, this is the group name, right? Along with EC2 group, EC2 user group, there is a group called root user group also. Sorry, root group also. Root. I can have one more default group called wheel. Wheel also is there. Okay, anyhow, we will see. I want to change only owner as of now. How to change ownership? Command is chown. Changing ownership is command chown. Changing owner chown. As of now, okay, for something like for Monday, I want to change. For this money directory, I want to change ownership. As of now, is the owner EC2, right? So let me change the owner to root. Root is one more user. On which file or directory means on Monday. It is simple command actually. ch own. This is the new order I want to assign. For which one is for Monday. So you can get one authentication problem here because right now I am ECT user. That means I am non-root user. This command definitely I have to include as an admin user only. You can see now. You can see not permitted. Changing ownership of Monday operation not permitted. That means I don't have enough permission to change it. That's what I told you earlier. Yeah, the root user only I can change the permission. Not only EC2, if you create your name also or my name also, if other names also, yeah, that user, I cannot change permissions. Yeah, the root user only I can change permissions. Then what to do from EC2 user? You try to switch to root user. Why? Because root is the superuser. Then you can execute this command. Otherwise, there is one simple solution for this one. Before this command, let me use sudo. Then what is the meaning of this one? This is the command I want to execute. What is sudo means? As a root. As a root, I will execute this one. That's it. Definitely it works now. Of course, if you are executing any command, if you are getting this error like operation not permitted, that means you are not authorized to perform that operation. In that case, what you have to do means you have to sudo before this command. That's it. On any command. Of course, if you want to install also something, you get the same thing only. Okay, I will show you that one if required. Okay. This is the command. What does it mean? As a root user, as a root. Still I am using it user only, but as a root I may do this. That's it. This worked fine. How to confirm worked fine or not? Before executing this command, who is the owner of the Monday directory means ECT user. Now definitely here I have to see root. If you select then only it is worked fine. I can say. This is worked fine, right? You can see root. Earlier ECT user was there for Monday directory. Now for Monday directory I can see root. Okay, it worked fine, right? Now let me do it for other also. Other means for something like for B I want to change the ownership. For B I want to change the ownership. How to change the ownership of the file B? Command is chown. New user is root. For which file means for B. Definitely it also won't work. That's why let me sudo. They worked fine, right? How to confirm? Now you can see. Earlier for B, one is user now. For B, root user. Of course, I can change later also if required. Now I want to change the from root to EC2 user. I can change no problem. Let me do that one. Command is chown. As of course for Monday only I want change now. For Monday as of now is the owner root user. I want to change back to EC2 user only. How to change? Same thing like EC2 user. New user. As of now, this person is the user. Afterwards, I am changing to this user. That's it. EC2 user for which one on Monday. Will it work straight away? No. So I have to use sudo. Same thing only. The work is fine. How to confirm work is fine or not? Before execute this command, who is the owner of Monday? Root. Of course, initially EC2 was there. Later I have changed. Now I am trying to change it to EC2 only. Now you guys. Before this command, owner of the Monday is root. Now EC2. Likewise, I can change ownership by using simple command chown. New user name for which one? For directory or file? That name I have to place. That's it. It's very simple. Okay, this is over now. Of course, you can change for anything, no problem. Now, this one. What is this one? Group name, right? I told. Of course, all you have seen permissions. We have seen how to change ownership of the file directory. Now we'll see how to change the group name. Group. This is the group name actually. We will concentrate on this one now. This is very simple command only. Of course, if you know everything is simple only. If you don't know, even it is easy also, it will be difficult for you. Not only for you, for anybody, for me, whoever. Now, ch group, ch group is grp. That's it. This is the command chgrp. Chgrp means changing group. New group name, new group name, new group name, new group name, followed by file name or directory name, whatever. It was very simple command, right? That's very simple, very simple command. Now we'll see. Right now, for all three files under directory, group name is like this. ECTLR. Already I told, right? There is, of course, I have not created any groups in Linux. So there are some default groups. ECTLR group will be there, or root group will be there, wheel group also will be there. Okay. Now I want to change a group to some others. What is the command I can use? Command is ch group and chgrp. Chgrp, changing group. For which one? Okay. As of now, we should let me change to wheel. Wheel group is the right wheel group. Let me change for file A. As of now, for file A, group name is user. I am trying to change it to wheel. Same thing. After that, then what to do? You can use sudo. Tell what to find, how to confirm what to find or not. You can see earlier for file A, group name is user. Now wheel, right? Now wheel only. That's it. This is the how to change group name, right? Simple command it is. Chgrp is the command. New group name for which file directory this is. Of course, let me do like this. What does it indicates? See, of course, you forget about this one as a root, that is different. Changing group, wheel, star. Star means what is star? Star means for all. Star means for all. So okay, fine. Of course, now it will become wheel. This will become wheel. Why means for all I have one. Now you can see. At a time I have changed for all. If you give a specific file name, only for that file earlier. Of course, not only this one, for any command I can use star. Star means for all. Star means for all. I am not giving any specific file number, any specific directory means. If you give star, star means for all. That's it. Now you can see wheel. Of course, previously also wheel is there. Now at least for these three, it has reflected, right? Wheel. Now for all of the wheel group is right. For all these five directories, I want to change from wheel to root. I can change, no problem. What is the command I can use? Sudo ch group, change group to root group. For all means star. Star means star indicates A and B and C and Monday. All five directories star means. Now you can see earlier. We now root. You can change for all also if required. Not only this change group command for all. You can apply. Let me show you. Chmod for all. Chmod 777 for all. What is the problem? Changing permissions of B not permitted. Let me sudo it work. Now you can see. Change mode. I have applied for change mode. You can see full permissions for all files like this now. I can use what is the command I have used? This command I have used earlier. Full permission for all means for A, for B, for C, and for Monday also. That's it. Okay. Based on requirement, you can, if you know the concept, you can do anything. That's it. Okay. This is the way how to change it. Permissions of a file or a directory. How to change it. Ownership of a file. How to change it. Group name of the file or directory. Of course, I can change ownership and directory. Sorry, ownership and group name at a time also. I can change both at a time. I can change ownership of file and group name at a time also. The command is there. What is the command? Of course, the command is chown only. Now let me use. Now I want to change both at a time. I want to change the group name and I want to change the owner name also at a time. The command is chown only. Chown. So of course here you have to use like this. New user name colon new group name followed by file name or directory name. This is very simple command. This is also simple, but I am mentioning both of them like this. Owner name colon group name. The command is chown only. Changing ownership. I can use like this. Okay, let me do like this. Let me apply this command on this something. Before that, I am thinking something like this. Now, let me take this C file, whatever C. Right now, who is the owner of this one? EC2 user, right? Let me change it to some other. What is the command I can use? Command is chown. Now I want to apply C. You can apply any problem, no problem. Otherwise, you can apply B. Let me apply B. As of now, root. Root is the user, root is the group name. Something I want to change the username to EC2 user, EC2 user. Colon group name. Let me use build. You can use anything, no problem. On file B. Then what will happen if you do this command? Right now, who is the owner? Root. After this command, who will become the owner? EC2 user. Right now, what is the group name of the B file? Root only. After this command, what we have to see? Build as a group. Of course, if you get like this, use sudo command as it. Sudo. So okay, fine. Now let me confirm. It is reflected or not? Reflected, right? Earlier for B, root was there. Now we can see EC2 build. Why means I have given EC2 build only. EC2 is the group, sorry, owner name I have changed. Wheel is the new group name I want to have. That's why reflected. Not only for this, you can apply for that. Let me apply for directory also. What is the command? Let me sudo at the beginning itself. Sudo ch1, right? Chown. So for Monday, I want to change now. As of now, EC2 is the owner name. Now let me change it to root user. Right now, what is the group name? Root. I can change it to wheel or EC2 or whatever. Let me change it to wheel. On which one? Monday. That's okay, fine. How to confirm? You can see now. You can see earlier for Monday directory, owner EC2 user belongs to root group. Now I am changing this one root wheel. That's why I am saying like this. That's it. Likewise, you can do anything. Okay. So of course, today we have covered only 3 commands. I can say only 3 commands we discussed today. Okay, only 3 commands. What are those? chmod, chowl, chgroup. Only 3 commands we have discussed today actually. Okay, you try to work on them. Of course, after this class, you try to share your Gmail IDs in the group so that I will send you Linux command document so that you can practice. Okay, no, okay. Now we will see something about this one. Of course, you know this first field, you know this field, you know this field. Of course, is it required to explain this field? What is this size? Size means depends upon the file size. Of course, right now file A size 78, right? Let me add something to the file A. I can see something extra information. How to add extra information? Let me add something like this. You know this command, right? Cat command. I am trying to add something. I am trying to add something this one. Before adding, I can see 78, the size 78 bytes of data is there. Now you can see 132 become 1 from 72 now 132. How means I have had some extra data. That's why. So need not explain this one. This is the file size only. Depends upon the content of the file. It can change. What is this one? This is time and date. No need to explain this one. Time and date. March 9th, 1.5. Of course, this 1.5 I told right. My system is not IST format. You can see. This is my time now. 2.8, 2.18. In UTC format, not IST format. That's why I'm saying like this. Okay. Nothing more than that one. Now you can see this one. Of course, I have modified it earlier. What is the time? 1.5. Now it is 2.18, right? I have modified this one. Right? That's why I'm saying same thing, same time. This one matching. Just now, right? I have updated this file. That's why. This is the time and date of the creation of the file or directory, whatever. Okay. Now we will see about this one. Of course, if you want to explain this one, we need to have understanding about the copy also. Okay, that's why we will see this command later. Of course, this link code, this field number of links. This one count, this one, 2. What is this means? This is the number of links. This field number of links. So to change them, there is a command called link, ln command there. We'll discuss those things later. Why? Because before that one, you have to know something about copy, move commands. Then you can see. Okay. Keep it aside. Of course, except this one, you know everything, right? In this one, except this one, you know everything, right? Permissions, owner, group, size, date and time, name of the file directory. That's it. This one will see next class actually. So because we need to have some idea about that one. Okay. Let's keep it aside. Now let me try to cover what you know. You know how to create file in touch command. You know how to create file in cat command. You know how to see the content of file by cat command. you know how to add extra content to the existing file by using cat command, right? You know how to create new file by using vi command. You know how to edit the existing file content by using vi command. You know how to see the content of the existing file also by using vi command. Similarly, nano also. You know how to create new file by using nano. You know how to see existing file content by using nano. You know how to change the or edit the existing file content by using nano. Now you know ls command also. Listing of files, long list timestamp, long list with reverse timestamp, ls-a, including header files also. That also you know as of now. You know pwd also. Pwd means where you are in the entire Linux file system. That also you know. Today I have covered chmod command to change the file permissions, chowl command to change the file owner, chgrp to change the group of the file or directory. I can use chowl to change both ownership and group at a time. Also, those things we have seen as of now. Okay. Now we will try to cover some more commands. Okay. Of course, they are simple commands only, like copy and move. We will see about copy and move commands now. Copy and move. Before copy and move, definitely you have to know path. What is path? Right now, where I am at means I am in this location. I am in this location. Right now, I am having A, B, C, 3 files in this location, along with one directory called Monday. Right? Of course, I can use like this also. 3 files and one Monday directory. Where they are at? Where they are at means in this location only. Home visit user. Of course, now I want to see what is there in OPT. How to see? Already you know definitely OPT will be there, right? / OPT will be there. I want to see what is there in OPT. Of course, before that one, let me see one more command called cd. cd command. cd means change directory. cd change directory. cd means change directory. Right now I am in this location. I want to go to some other location like cd /root. I want to go to /root. It is not allowing. What means permission? It means definitely what I have to do. Sudo I have to do. That's it. Right now where I am at, you can see pwd. Of course, even though I have gone there, I'm not seeing this one. Actually, I tried to go to this route. Still, I am in this location only. Why? Of course, that is the reason. At initial time itself, I am trying to switch to root user sudo -1. Now you can see right now where I am at means in this location. Now you can see. Now you can see /root. Okay. Can I see those files here? A, B, C, and Monday. Can I see them here? No. Why? Because where they are at? They are at this location. At /home at /ect user. I can have file A, I can have file B, I can have file C, I can have one directory called Monday. Where means in this location. Am I correct? In this location only I am having. Right now where I am at a different location /root. What are the files I am having here means of course default files will be there like Anaconda, yesterday have seen, right? Yesterday have seen some files, right? Those only I can see. These two files. These two files I can see here. They are called default files. Yesterday have seen, right? Those files I am having. Of course, try to understand what I'm trying to say. Of course, this is my laptop. This is my laptop. This is my C drive. In C drive, of course, let me go to the, whatever. In C drive, at the users, I'm having Dell. In this Dell, I'm having a file called something like let me take this one only. Let me go to SH. Because this is on file. Whatever the file, this is file. IDS for DSA, this is the file. Where it is? Where it is means in this location. Where it is means you can see C drive, users, Dell, dot. This is the location. This is called path. This is called path location. In this location, I am having this IDS for or something files. These are files. Okay, let me show. This is my system location. This is my laptop location. In my laptop, this is my server. In my laptop, in this location, I am having some files. Okay, I don't want to write all of them. At least let me write some of them. Okay, ID underscore DS underscore RSA. ID underscore DSA. ID underscore RSA. At least those things I am seeing right here. ID underscore RSA. Where is this location? Now, in this location, they are the files. In C drive, users folder, Dell folder, .sh folder, I am seeing these files. Now, I am somewhere else. Where? I am somewhere else means in this location. Something like, if you go to some other location, let me go to D drive. Let me go to this location. Right now, where I am at? In this location. D drive. Now, folder name is something like 792.21. Can I see those files here? Can I see those files? Those files means these two files. Can I see here? No. Why? Because this is different. This is different location. Same thing, right? Of course, normally, you people will maintain some movies in some folder like F drive, I can say, in F drive. In your laptop, in F drives, you will maintain some movies like Telugu movies, Hindi movies, and English movies, Tamil movies, like that you can maintain folders. Again, if you go to Hindi movies, you can maintain some subdirectories like Shah Rukh Khan movies, something like Amitabh Bachchan movies, something like you maintain, right? Again, if you go to Amitabh Bachchan route directory, you can maintain something like old movies and new movies. Now, if you go to Shah Rukh Khan folder, can you see Amitabh Bachchan movies? No, right? Same thing here also. I have created ABC and Monday directories and files in this location. Can I see them in this root? No, right? Same thing applicable here also. Wherever you have created and directories, files and directories in some location, there only I can see them. In different location, I cannot see them, right? That is what I am trying to explain you. Okay. Now I am in this location. If you list here, I cannot see those ABC files and minor directory. They are different location, right? I am in this location. Can I copy files in between two directories? Yes, right? Of course, in your laptop also, if you have one file in downloads, can I copy that to one more something like C drive? I can copy it. Similar here also, I can copy. How to copy and how to move between directories, I will tell you now. So right now where I am at means in this location /root. I want to go to home visit user. How to go to home visit user? The command is cd. Change directory. Where I want to go means home visit user. Right now where I am at means this location. You can see. Earlier I was in /root. Now I am in this location. Now let me use LL command. Now you can see. I am seeing here. Earlier, I was in the slash root location. That time, these two are the files I am having there. Later, I have changed it to this location because it's CD. CD means change directory. Change directory. That means this is the command used to change from one location to location. In this location, I am having these files. That's it. This is a CD command. Okay, let me go to OPT. How to go to OPT? CD slash OPT, right? CD slash OPT. I mean OPT, how to confirm? You can say I mean slash OPT. Can I see anything? No. I don't write. This initially OPT does not contain anything. Now in OPT, I don't have anything. Now in OPT, I don't have anything. Now I'm in OPT slash OPT. Right now I'm having this location. I cannot see any files and directories in this one. Okay. Now I want to copy one file which is there in location. Of this is my laptop. Keep it aside. This file. Of course, let me copy this files B from this location to that location. What is the command I have to do? Command is copy, right? Of course, I want to take 1 more minute only. Copy and move I want to tell us. Okay. Copy command. How to use copy command I will tell you. Command is CP only. Command is CP. Which file I want to copy? Where it is? That B file is there here. No, right? B file is not there here. Where it is? The B file location. I have to get entire path on. This is the path, right? In this location only I am having B file, right? That's why it requires to give full path. Copy. Which file B? Where is the file B? In this location, right? This is the B. In home, this is the B file is there. That's why. Where you want to maintain? This is the copy. This is the source file path. Source file. This is the target. Where I want to have means dot. Dot means current location only. Otherwise, it means something like slash OPT. This is the location of the file where I am having the actual location with the file available. This is the location where I want to maintain. I am copying from here to here. That's the meaning of this one. Space I have a space. CP space available file path. Where you want that one? That one. Now you can see. I got here, right? Earlier, you can see total 0. Nothing is there now. I'm having this one here. How I got this one? I have copied this from this location. That's it. Of course, let me discuss this syntax now. Dot also I can do, right? Let me copy that to Monday folder also to this location dot. This also works fine. Of course, what is the problem? Okay. CP hyphen are not specified. Okay, recursively. Okay. Why to use recursive means that I will tell you. Now it is working fine. Now you can see this Monday is also there. Why this hyphen R is required means if you have some files in this folder also it will copy. That's it. That's the meaning of this R. Even if you forget, they will suggest you. Don't worry. Now I have copied, right? I have copied this Monday from there. From there means in this location, actually this Monday file was there. Now I have copied the same file to this OPT also. That's I am seeing here also. Of course, right now I am in this location. I want to see what is there under slash home slash issue user. How to see? LL. Where? If you see LL command, it will show you what is there in this location. If you LL command, it will show you what is there under slash OPT. Now I want to see what is there under that home issue user. What is the command I can use? LL. Where? Under home issue user. It is showing. It is showing what is there in this location. This is called path. Path is very important here. Now of course, right now I am in this location. Right now I am in this location. I want to see what is there in slash where. How to see? Can I use the LL here? No. If you use LL here, it will display what there in the slash OPT only. I want to see what there under slash where means I can do something like slash where. It will show you what there is slash where. You can see. Under slash where I can see so many things. That's it. Okay. Write a copy so that I can have that file and directory there and here. There and here means let me show what there under slash home ECTOL. There also I am having B and C, sorry, B and ABC on Monday. In this location means B and C, B and Monday. I have copied from there, that's why I'm seeing here. If we move, of course, right now that file is there, C. That file C, I want to move from here to here. If we move, definitely I can see only target, I cannot see source. How do you move commands? Move command is very simple. Move. MV move. Which file I want to move? Where it is means under home, under HT user, there is a file called A, assume. Right now, where is there here? In the slash home HT user, this is there. In OPT, as of now, it is not there. Now, let me use in OPT. Now, can I see this file A in two locations? No. If we copy, I can see file in both locations, source and target. But if we move, that will be deleted from the source path. It can be added to the target path. That's it. Now you can see in this location, along with B and Monday, I got A also. But in the source location, definitely this will offset out. Let me show you where under home and ECT user. If you display, you can see now. Only BC Monday I am seeing in this location. Why not A means I have moved this. I have moved. Move means I cannot see this one. This is option, and I can see this here only. That's it. Okay, anyhow, I will cover tomorrow also some other commands Linux. If you have any doubts, as of now, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll go for today. Tomorrow, we'll continue with some other commands.